Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to jump into some more Jessica with her Beat Beat performance video. So I thoroughly enjoyed this. I like this little mini album that she released. It's a some great little tracks in that. Yeah, so I'm intrigued to see what this performance video is going to be like. Obviously dancing, etc. Jessica is multi-talented. She deserves everything that she's got, and I hope there's more to come, because I would like to see what she sings like live. Because all of the girls that have gone solo from Girls' Generation, I would love to go and see live. They've all got amazing voices, they've all got their own special personalities, and I love it all. So, along with that, Jessica, the same. Can't wait. Want more. Hope 2024 is bright and prosperous for her, and yeah, I can't wait to see what we've got from her. So, but for today, Beat Beat performance video, let's just jump straight in, shall we, and see what we got. Let's go. Yeah. Beat. And she looks stunning. Look, everybody, look. Yeah, so good, so upbeat, so poppy, so and she's gorgeous. What more can you ask for? If you wanna get down, all I see is you. All the way across the room, I can tell you're in the mood. Don't know why you play it shy. Maybe you can be the one. Come and get it, ooh. I can see you got a thing for me. Matter of fact, but you really got it bad for me. Don't try, but you take it slow. Wait a little longer and you overflow. Can't hide it, can't find it. So come on, let's get it started now. I'm ready, so ready. Oh, 'cause the rumors all over town, you're checking me out. You gotta do better, boo. Come and show me what you're about. If you wanna get down, all I see is you. These outfits are... She looks amazing. She really does look amazing. Yeah. Nothing more to say really, is there? That's so good. I like that. Very good. I think when I listened to this album, I think I wasn't a huge fan of the video, but when I listened to the actual song itself, it was a lot better. But this, I quite enjoyed this actually. Whether this is better than the MV, maybe. But I do like the song. I do like the EP or the mini album that she released with it. So yeah, what more can you ask for? Stunning beauty, lyrics, voice, everything. Can dance, multi-talented. So right, let's leave it there. If you enjoyed this, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. That'd be very much appreciated. If not, don't worry about it. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.